Hey guys, this is Train Man Ray here, and we got ourselves a video of a guy on a boat and a couple tugboats here.
Are you coming or not?
There's the guy on the boat. There's tugboat number 1 and tugboat number 2.
My buddies.
This is so exciting to see.
I know the
I
water.
bet those were the two I seen earlier.
The buddies.
Train Man Ray, can I get a oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. That sound right.
I know.
It's not a train.
Now the boat.
No.
I hear that boat over there.
Is it really a boat?
No.
I thought it sounded like a train.
You might be a train. Unless they're from that boat.
Wait, the buddies.
Is somebody over there on the boat?
No, it's people in the water. Yes, it's people in the boat too. I don't know what that boat doing. Wait,
Oh, it's
what
raining.
is that guy doing?
Going fishing.
Can I go fishing?
If he believes to be a fish, he can be a fish.
It's not a fish, stop me.
He believes he can be.
Right, look it up. Come on.
That is cool.
Where's old Jesse? My buddy. Where are you going? That's cool, isn't it?